Okay, Miss Cherry Lola, this is my very first time trying the Cherry Lola treatment. I did this, I bought my products about a couple of weeks ago, and I was kind of hesitant after buying the products of doing it, putting it, doing my hair. I was like, oh, I'm scared now. But I watched your video again. I watched a number of videos again last night of people doing the Cherry Lola treatment. Then I watched your video again this morning. And I was like, okay, go for it. What harm could it do? So this is my hair. After doing the Cherry Lola treatment, it's still wet. So I would like to thank you for coming up with the treatment. Kudos. Thank you very much. Bye.